Oh shit! Oh, nearly killed him. Damn. That would have been like ultimate goal. Yeah, would have been cool if I got that shot. Oh, he's battle on. I'm totally gonna get this one. Double kill, Laura got it. He's stuck, man, he's stuck! Got this! Oh, come on, I would've got that kill too. Anyway, this thing's gone, we've got this.